How automation helps fleet operators double operational efficiency. What is the fastest way to improve the transport operations in not adding more vehicles, hiring more staff, or expanding your department? What if the real opportunities is simply making your existing operation work more efficiently? Around the world, leading transport companies are discovering that operational growth does not always come from increasing resources. In many cases, it comes from removing inefficiencies that quietly slow the business down every single day. Most fleet operators focus on visible metrics such as fleet size, route coverage, and vehicle utilization. But behind every successful transport company is the network of operational forces that determine how efficiently the business actually runs. Vehicle preparation, maintenance, dispatches, cleaning, and people workflow all play a role. When one process becomes inefficient, the impact spreads throughout the operation. Small delays come larger delays. Additional labor becomes necessary. Productivity begins to plateau. This is where automation creates a significant advantage. By reducing repetitive manual tasks and creating predictable workflows, companies can process more vehicles, maintain higher standards, and operate with greater consistency. Instead of relying on increasing manpower to handle growth, business create systems capable of supporting expansion without adding operational complexity. One of the clearest examples can be found in vehicle washing operation. In many depots, buses spend valuable time waiting for manual cleaning, especially during peak return periods. Staff must coordinate schedules, manage workloads, and maintain quality under pressure. As fleets grow, these challenges become more difficult to control. Automatic systems help eliminate these bottlenecks by creating a faster and more reliable process that keeps vehicles moving efficiently through the depot. At Go&Go, our automatic merge systems are designed specifically for transport companies operating coaches, tourism buses, shuttle fleets, and commercial vehicles. By reducing labor dependency, improving cleaning consistency, and accelerating vehicle turnaround time, companies gain a more efficient workflow without increasing operational burden. The result is not simply cleaner vehicles. It is a depot that functions more effectively every day. The most successful fleet operators understand that efficiency compounds over time. Saving a few minutes on one vehicle may seem insignificant. Saving those minutes across hundreds of vehicles every week can transform the performance of an entire operation. That's why automation is becoming a key part of modern transport infrastructures around the world. If you are looking for ways to improve productivity, streamline depot operation, and prepare for your business for future growth, now is the time to explore smarter solutions. Contact Go&Go today and discover how automation can help your fleet operate faster, more efficiently, and more competitively than ever before.